Howdy folks, today we're creating a website. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, let me go walk you through like what we're going to use to create it. We're going to be using the Caddy server, we're going to be using DigitalOcean, and we're going to be using Google Domains to buy our domain name. So we're going to be buying a website name and putting it out into the web, and hopefully all under 10 minutes. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. So by creating a droplet, you're just making a computer in DigitalOcean. Super easy. You just sign up for an account. I'm pretty sure I can give you a link, so I might get like a kickback or something like that. I don't know too much about it as I'm creating the video now, but if I find it, I'll put it into the description. But let's create your computer. Cheapest one, $5 a month, and make a password and make sure you click on the IPv6. So all my keystrokes will be there. All right, that's gonna be our password, and then create droplet. All right, so you see our steps. Get a computer from DigitalOcean. We just got a computer with Ubuntu. Now we're gonna wait to that to load up, but we're gonna run all these commands as well in here, and we're gonna be using our computer terminal to do so. Let me just go ahead and clear all this. Actually, let me just delete this. A new terminal window. Yeah, that was like an old project. But yeah, we're gonna wait for this to finish up so we can get the IP address. But we can go ahead and we're gonna do SSH, and that's how you connect to the computer. And then you're gonna do root, and that's gonna be like the username. And now we're gonna copy this, and that's gonna be the computer connect to. So it's like SSH connect to the root user at this computer, which is that number we just put in. Connection refused. Oh, let's try that one more time. There we go. And now we just gonna accept this fingerprint. Groovy. Permission denied. Try this one more time. Ooh. Weird. Okay, let me terminal. All right, now we can just put in the password. Sorry about that. We have to refresh that a little bit. Okay, and it was MA1. All right. And we're in. Now we're into the computer. Now we're going to run these lists of things. And these are actually just on the Caddy website. I just put it here to have quick and easy access to it. You can see everything it's doing. Let me make this a little bit more user-friendly for you. Oh, God. They're all nice and pretty for you. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's done. Sorry. Groovy. And that second one in there. I hope to do this in under 10 minutes. Fingers crossed. That would be pretty fun, Because, it took me so long to figure out how to do this. Like, it's a ridiculous process. I can show you guys how to do it with, like, Nginx or Apache, but I don't like those. Those don't, they don't look too fun. Well, they weren't too fun doing it. It just looked super clunky. So, yeah, all I'm doing is copy pasting these lists, and I'll put those in the description for you, or I'll make a link to it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll make a GitHub link to it, who knows. All right, and let's go set this up. Boom. All right, so I'm packing Caddy. All right, so now we just did that, and then that installs Caddy on our computer. And then now I'm going to show you that we can access our computer right after we get that done. So this is your IP address, and this is because every website is just a computer somewhere. So now we're going to see if Caddy is working on our computer. Look, it's working. So now we've already set up a web server on our computer that we made on DigitalOcean. Now we want to display some content that's not like the boilerplate content right there. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna type in vim, and then we're gonna do Caddyfile. Boom. And then now we're gonna insert, and we're gonna do remember that's like our computer name. That's the name of our computer. And then we're just gonna do first, just to say something, respond. I think actually no, let's just do what we have here. So templates root at, and we're gonna make this file name pretty soon at mat, and we're gonna do a file server. That's all you have to do, and now you just press escape and then right quit, and that saves it, our our document there. And then now we have to make that directory so we can go to it. So let's do mark directory and call it mat, and then we're gonna cd go into mat, and like you can see we have these two things here. And let's go to cd mat, and now we're gonna make a HTML file, and we're gonna put some good stuff in there. Insert h1, boom, h1, boom. Hello, Matt. All right, and now we're gonna hope to see this thing refresh. Let's do caddy reload. Oh wait, see, we need to go back to it, and now we do caddy reload. Boom, and now we should see hello Matt. Okay, let's visit this anyways. It might have like the security thing on it. Oh no, where is it? Oh, give me 1 second. Caddy reload. Here, let's see. Vim index.html. Yeah, that's fine for sure. That's fine. Can't really mess that up. Let's see. Let's vim our caddy file again. Yeah, this looks all right. Yeah, this looks all right, guys. Here, hello caddy stop. All right, now we shouldn't be able to access it, and now we should do caddy validate. Caddy run.
Where'd they go?
Oh no.
Huh?
Give me 1 second, Kelly. Okay, cool. There we go. See, look, now it says hello Matt. Perfect. Now what we want to do is to redirect our own domain onto this computer. For that, you're going to want to go to Google Domains, and then I already purchased the domain. And really, after you do that, you just go to the side where you click on we'll go right here. So when you purchase the domain, it'll come up to this list of things, and then you'll be able to go click on it, click on the DNS. Then you will be able to put in that computer IP address right there. And then we're just going to add that right there. And then you're going to go here to the DigitalOcean, and you're going to add the domain to your computer. So messsucks.com, and you're gonna add that domain. All right. So, and then now we need to go to the Google domains. At the very top of it, we need to use our custom name servers right here. Not that. And we're gonna copy this. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, I'm sorry guys. I thought it was gonna be under 10 minutes. So, all right, here we go. Change name servers anyways. That's weird. Oh. Yeah, don't have. All right. So, and now all we're gonna have to do is, now everything should be set up, and I should just have to go to my Caddyfile and change. All right. So now I should just be able to go to my Caddyfile, and now I'll just change this to our domain name. All right. Save that. All right, and now let's do Caddy reload. Okay. Set. All right. Let's do. Boom. Look at that. Now we have a website with a domain name right there. Yeah, and then just to prove to you, like, there's different information on here. Let me just cancel this out, and then let's go to cd mat. Now them index.html. Let's go here. Let's see, proof. H1. I know you're probably gonna hate me for how I'm doing this out. I'm a Vim newbie. Alright. And then let's see if probably says server can't. Oh, look at that. See? Proof it works just as intended. So yeah, so follow those steps, and if you have any questions, just give me a holler.